Hi my people, how una dey? So it's a girl again. You're welcome back to my page. So guys, as I'm doing this video, I mistakenly cut one part. So after tying it at the back like this, I make the handle cord, then I bring this hand, I pin it there, then the second hand, I pin it down. So now we're going to use the hand to turn the second one. You can see I've done that. Then this one now I'm going to do what? To round it like this as I'm doing it. Then suck that one inside, suck it inside. So it's very simple to grab, and if you did not get this step very well, you can write it at the comment section. If you want me to do this style again, then I will redo it for you guys. Redo it. So that place I'm holding, as in that down, that place I'm going to pin it. So then you will do the second one, same thing. Do it same thing. So guys, please and please, I'm always begging you guys, please help me to share. Always help me to share. Whenever you watch my video, please try to share for others to benefit from it. Please and please, please. At times we don't need to be giving out money before wrapping head wrap on our head. We have to be try once in a while. So that is why you need to be watching some videos that you'll be learning how to do what? To wrap head wrap on your head by yourself. So that place I'm holding, I'm going to pin it down. I'm going to pin it together so that it will stand very well. To stand. So guys, please and please, I'm begging again, help me to share my video. Like, comment, and share. What did you see about the video? Is there any amendment? No one is perfect. Everybody is just trying. So you can still correct me if you see any error. Please say something about this style. And if you want me to do this style again, I will surely do it. If you write it at the comment section, so I will do it. So guys, keep on watching. I'm trying to pin the back down. That is what I'm doing. Trying to pin the back. So let's just continue watching. I think at this stage we are done, but that place I'm touching, as in that middle, I think I still need to put pin. Yes, that place. I think I still need to put pin so that it's looking more attractive. So, what do you think? Yes, that place. We need to put pin to pin that place down. Yes. So I says this let's just be trying something new. So this airdrop now is new. So I've pinned that place down, you see now. So it's looking attractive. So guys, please and please help me to share my video. Just write your comments what you think about the video. See you in my next video. Bye.